Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to replace search bar into search icon in toolbar from Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Look, in toolbar, a large amount of space used by search bar. That's why if you want to open more than 3-4 items in toolbar will not show all items at the same place. Look, I'm going to open one, then another one, then I'm going to open another one, then another one, then I am going to open Firefox, then open Word. Then if I open any new program, Notepad++, then OneNote. Now I am opening Paint. Now I am opening CMD. Look, Windows has changed the toolbar second page. The first page of all icons here, and second page new two icons. Okay, this one and this one, and all other icons are in first page because search bar use huge space from this toolbar. That's why we need to replace search bar into search icon, and search icon will use minimum amount of space from toolbar. Okay, now I'm going to replace search bar into search icon. Right click on search. Look, this is search. Now click on show search icon. Look, here only search icon is visible here. You can use search by clicking on this icon, and all your applications you have opened are showing in same toolbar. That's why you need to change search bar into search icon. Okay, this is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.